Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Easier and Faster. Today, we're going to help you master the present simple tense with 60 essential sentences. This is the most important tense in everyday English. If we don't master it, we'll never feel really fluent. In this video, we explore 5 main sections. Section 1 is daily habits. Section 2 is personal information and jobs. Section 3 is work and general actions. Section 4 is likes and dislikes. And Section 5 is facts and nature. For this tense, we usually use the base verb, but remember to add an S or ES for he, she, or it. We'll use natural contractions like I'm and I don't, so we can sound more like a native speaker. This is how English is spoken naturally in real life. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence twice. Let's begin. First, let's practice the present simple for daily habits. I get up early on weekdays. I get up early on weekdays. I make coffee in the kitchen. I make coffee in the kitchen. I don't check my phone right away. I don't check my phone right away. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I listen to music on the way to work. I listen to music on the way to work. I work on my computer most of the day. I work on my computer most of the day. I don't skip lunch. I don't skip lunch. I walk for a few minutes after dinner. I walk for a few minutes after dinner. I relax at home in the evening. I relax at home in the evening. I go to bed before 11. I go to bed before 11. Next, let's practice the present simple for personal information and jobs. I'm an office worker. I'm an office worker. I live in a busy city. I live in a busy city. I don't work from home. I don't work from home. I work with a small team. I work with a small team. I'm responsible for daily reports. I'm responsible for daily reports. I don't handle customer complaints. I don't handle customer complaints. I have 2 close friends at work. I have 2 close friends at work. I'm interested in technology. I'm interested in technology. I don't change jobs often. I don't change jobs often. I'm satisfied with my position. I'm satisfied with my position. I come from a small town. I come from a small town. I'm proud of my work. I'm proud of my work. Next, let's practice the present simple for work and general actions. The office opens at 9. The office opens at 9. The meeting starts on time. The meeting starts on time. My manager checks emails regularly. My manager checks emails regularly. We don't work late on Fridays. We don't work late on Fridays. She leads the weekly meetings. She leads the weekly meetings. They complete tasks efficiently. They complete tasks efficiently. The system updates automatically. The system updates automatically. I review my schedule every morning. I review my schedule every morning. We follow company rules. We follow company rules. The team works well together. The team works well together. Reports arrive every Monday. Reports arrive every Monday. The company grows steadily. The company grows steadily. Next, let's practice the present simple for likes and dislikes. I like drinking coffee in the morning. I like drinking coffee in the morning. I love learning new languages. I love learning new languages. I don't like waking up late. I don't like waking up late. I enjoy watching documentaries. I enjoy watching documentaries. I don't eat fast food very often. I don't eat fast food very often. I prefer tea over soda. I prefer tea over soda. I like quiet places. I like quiet places. I don't enjoy loud music. I don't enjoy loud music. I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. I don't watch TV every day. I don't watch TV every day. I enjoy walking in nature. I enjoy walking in nature. I prefer simple meals. I prefer simple meals. Finally, let's practice the present simple for facts and nature. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Ice melts in warm temperatures. Ice melts in warm temperatures. Plants need sunlight to grow. Plants need sunlight to grow. Birds fly south in winter. Birds fly south in winter. It rains more in the wet season. It rains more in the wet season. The ocean covers most of the earth. The ocean covers most of the earth. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Cats sleep many hours a day. Cats sleep many hours a day. Time moves forward, not backward. Time moves forward, not backward. Great job! You've just practiced 60 essential sentences with the present simple. Thank you for watching Learn English Easier and Faster. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.